I want to share a trick in changing your power window motor in your truck. You don't have to take out the side window or all the tracking. Where it's mounted on the inside of the door, it's right around here. So there's 3 bolt holes that you have to create for the shortcut. Your motor's held on with 3 bolts. There, there, and there. Again, on the door, it sits about there. Drill 3 holes. Make holes for accessing the bolts. Pull the bolts out. The motor will drop down from the backside and out your door. You'll also notice your mounting bolts here. Added a 4th one for stability. You'll notice as you go up and down with your window, it moves a lot back and forth. One more bolt, she's solid. Okay guys,